Hello everyone, we are Group 1 student. Today we are going to talk about the importance of lighting. As usual, let's briefly introduce the target user to you. The target user is the female university student. There are four main characteristics of them. For example, they have poor time management. For example, they are not easy to balance between study and their playing. Moreover, they are procrastination, which means that they have no motivation on doing their work. The other problem of them is they have difficulty on focusing, which means that there will lack of temptation, costing them on the concentration problem. And the other characteristics that the female student enjoy shopping to reward themselves. For example, buying luxury or buying something they like. And as mentioned, there are three main problems. And what we can do to help them is that, for example, we can provide something to change their behavior, provide something to help them to have a better planning. And for the procrastination, we can help them to break down a large project into a small task, or give some rewarding to motivate themselves. And for the difficulty on focusing, I think if we can provide something to help them put down things to distort them, for example, help them to put down their phone, which can help them to solve the difficulty on focusing problem. Then let's talk about the idea chain of our products briefly. Firstly, as mentioned before, our beginning objective is to help students for finishing their environment without becoming a deadline fighter. Therefore, our first design is created to remind themselves there are many tasks to do by this lighting product. And why we change to our second design is because we think that if there is no rewarding system, students will not have motivation to finish their task. Therefore, a cultural reward system is added. And a president is also added because we want to have the rewarding is at any time and anywhere. For our first design idea, we want to create a more appealing outlook for girls. Therefore, a casual outlook product is created with more function. For example, speaker to play music, because we think that if there are more function added, our product will be more useful. However, we find out that the product with many functions may be too big to put in the table and not suitable for students to use. Therefore, when we take a look at the student table, we find out that maybe we can create a table lamp and a calendar. Therefore, our product will be more easy to store and more convenient to use. Therefore, we select the table lamp as a value idea. This is because a table lamp is more suitable for students when they need to study. And our final idea change is that we find out that if people do not put down their phone, people may be not focusing on work. Therefore, we add a phone on system, meaning that lamp can only turn on after placing the phone on charge board, so that students may be more focused on their assignment. Then I will pass to Karen to talk about the product feature, our new product feature.
Let's talk about our new product. Through discussion and modification, we have designed a light that fulfills the concept of motivation, duration of use, suitable size, and multifunctional uses. We have to attract our customers to finish all her tasks on time, and to use the bracelet for a longer time, also to place the light on the table. We also provide some features like clip-on lights and a phone charging to help our customers. In aesthetics, we have a lower housing. The shape of the cylinder is convenient for a customer to place it on the table, and a light button to help our customer to press or long press the button to turn on the suitable light and adjust the brightness. A phone charging to provide a suitable location for customer to place the phone on it to charge and turn on the light for working, and a cabinet to facilitate our customer to pull out the cabinet and place the bracelet on the wireless charger. Also a clip-on light, to help our customer to have a sufficient light when they are lying on bed or reading a book or watching dramas, as the clip-on light can adjust the direction by moving up and down and left and right. We would like to set our price at 599 Hong Kong dollar, and we have a target consumer of female university students with poor time management. We mainly use ABS, PVC, and sterling silver for the main material of our design, and here is a bill of material that listed all of the material that we are using and the quantity of them. In the color of it, we chose a more candy tone color, a Tiffany blue with milky pink, and the size of it has a length and width of 170 millimeter and a height of 430 millimeter. So let's talk about design features. The first feature is a clip-on light. The light can be removed and be taken out and clamp next to the bed for lighting use. The light provides illumination for female students when she feels so tired and wants to lie down for having a leisure time like watching videos or reading a book. And the second feature is a phone charging and with lightning and plus a mobile app. To motivate female students to complete all their tasks before the deadline and prevent them from playing the phone in the process of work, the user can open the app and set a time limit. The app will automatically distribute the time for the user. When she takes away the phone and starts playing, the light will be turned off unless the phone is placed on the charging port. The lights can be turned on white or yellow by pressing the button on the lamp after the mobile phone is placed on the charging port. Also, long press the button to adjust the brightness. Our third feature is a capsule toy machine plus a mobile app. A female student usually feel curious and tend to try new things. Therefore, to solve the problem of lacking motivation and time management, a capsule toy machine is created as a feature of the product for attracting them as well as meeting their needs. Once the student has finished all the tasks that she set on the mobile app, she can get a capsule toy from the machine. Besides, all the accessories are being delivered randomly so that the students will tend to finish all the target on time, forgetting the accessories they want and to self-customize their bracelets. Our fourth feature is a bracelet. To solve the problem about duration of use, we need to design a feature that can attract customers to wear it all the time for reminding them about the things that they haven't done yet. So a bracelet with customized accessories and colors is formed. They can use it after they got some capsule toy from the machine. They can customize their bracelet according to their preferences. Also, they can change the color of the bracelet through the application. When the user completes a goal, the bracelets on her hand will turn on a grid of light for showing her target process. And our last feature is a wireless charging for the bracelet. There is a small cabinet that allows the student to pull, and there is a wireless charger inside of the cabinet. The student can place the bracelet onto the wireless charger and takes 3 hours to charge. After that, the user can wear it for around 3 to 4 days.
Hi, this is Carrie. Let's move on to the benefits to our target users. Here are the physical and mental changes that we expect our design can bring to our customers. First, from being a person who always delays and procrastinates her work to a person who is able to finish her work on time and even have time for making amendments. Secondly, we hope our design can let our target users concentrate for a longer time so that they will not get distracted by their phone. Lastly, we want to provide motivation to users through using our device. We want them to embrace the challenges instead of avoiding the work, and they'll feel joyful rather than exhausted. Here is the scenario of using Relam. Jennifer is a university student who loves Disneyland and candy tone colors very much. However, she finds it hard to cope with her schoolwork due to her poor time management and procrastination personality, and eventually leads to late submissions. She is also weak at focusing. She often gets distracted by her phone and wastes a lot of time on only doing one assignment in a day. Sometimes, even though she realizes the deadlines are approaching, she still cannot finish her task on time. She had been struggling about this for a long time until she met Relam. With the Disney series charms, her workflow has become smoother than ever. During a busy period when she has a lot of work to do but unable to organize them and try to avoid them, she tries to use Relam to help her. Since it is the first day for her to use Relam, she only inserted 3 assignments on the mobile app. When she starts doing them on the desk, she can set a time limit distributed for each task she inputs into the app, and the app will automatically allocate the time for her to finish the task. Also, she needs to place her phone in the stand of the light when using it. She can adjust the tone of the light that she feels most comfortable with. After doing the assignment for only half an hour, she received a notification from Instagram and she wants to take a look at it. However, when she takes her phone out, the light is switched off. Jennifer realized that she cannot take her phone out and she has to concentrate on her task without being distracted by her phone. After working for 4 hours, she starts to feel tired and lacks motivation. Then she checks the number of gachas she can get in the mobile app, and she finds that she has already finished 2 assignments. There is only one more assignment to finish and she can get her first capture toy charm. As the capture toys are unrevealed and mysterious, Jennifer finds the capture toy machine surprising since she is curious about which Disney character she will get. When Jennifer thinks of this, she is looking forward to the charm and she is encouraged by it. Then she keeps working on her assignments. It has been a long day. Jennifer finally finishes all her work for today. A bell and a jasmine charm are drawn from the capture toy machine. After using Relam, she finds that her productivity has enhanced, and she is grateful and excited for having Relam. She is happy that she is able to get rid of being a deadline fighter gradually. Not only does she finish the assignments on time, she even has 2 days for making amendments before submission. Before going to the bed, she wants to watch the latest drama on Netflix, so she uses the clip-on light function from Relam. She clips the lamp on the bed and adjusts the right angle of it. She also tunes the light to yellow and enjoys her break time, which ends her day. In the next day, Jennifer has a group project that needs to be discussed at school, and she wears the bracelet. With the charms she got yesterday, after she finishes the project, the bracelet turns on a grid of light and shows her the progress. Since she customized the color of her bracelet on the mobile app before, it shows light coral, moccasin, and medium sea green. That is the scenario we hope Relam can provide to our users. The next part will be the promotion.
Finally, let's talk about the promotion of our product, how we promote our product. And as mentioned before, why our product is suitable for university students is because we can help, when using our products, it can help them to strengthen the habits of procrastination and not focusing on work. And therefore, this is our marketing message of our products to redefine the way they are worked. This is our new slogan of our product. And I think our best selling time is that before or during the exam period in the semester, because our products can increase the efficiency of such student study. Then, as Kara mentioned before, one of our other feature is that We chosen the candy tone color as our design color, which gives the youthful, faithful, and romantic feeling, and girls love this color very much. And the other feature is that our product provide an accessory for example, we can cooperate with the pincers, and this accessory is also one of the things that a girl likes the most. And I think this thing can attract our target user very much. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.